Hello and good morning, Fellow-litas. It is currently the morning of Saturday, July 10th. I have yet to have my second coffee, though I have finished my first, and today I will be attending my own 30th birthday party. I think the last time I invited people over or out to do something for my birthday, I was 17, and I was at my dad's house and a bunch of my friends came over and ate like a Mrs. Fields cookie cake. After that, because my birthday was always July 4th weekend, on July 2nd, I'd be at Anime Expo in LA, and usually I'd celebrate my birthday with some con friends or a bunch of strangers, whoever showed up. But I'm only turning 30 once, hopefully. So I decided I was going to have an actual birthday party. This will be the largest gathering of my friends too, since before the pandemic. Some of these folks I haven't seen in over a year, and I just am so thrilled to see them. So of course, it's an opportunity to dress up, and it wouldn't be a dress up day for me if I didn't have some sort of Lolita thing planned. Now, the birthday party is at a board game cafe, and as such, the theme is kind of loosely Dungeons and Dragons-y, and I thought that I was going to wear my Metamorphose Magical Artifact JSK, which is one of my favorite dresses of all time. That would be a fabulous option. However, ever since I was a teenager, I have wanted to look like a birthday cake on my birthday. The reason I haven't put on my nails or any makeup yet is that I am on the fence. I could rewear my magical artifact dress and have a fabulous time and look super on theme, and that would be great. But just in time for the party, I got this package from Belladonna Lolita. This contains their absolutely iconic rainbow polka dot JSK, the ice cream shop JSK. This dress is literally everything I've ever wanted in a dress. It's colorful, it's a little bit retro, it's cotton, and it is plus size friendly. But of course, I've never tried it on yet, and I've never worn any other Belladonna dresses. This is my first, so before I get ready and go out for my birthday, I wanted to open this up, take a peep at it. If this looks like it's gonna be comfortable for a day of hanging out playing board games with my friends, and it fits me and is as cute as I am thinking it's going to be, what choice do I have? I must wear this dress and be the rainbow birthday cake Lolita of my dreams. I need to be my most authentic self on my 30th birthday at my 30th birthday party. I need to look like a giant bowl of Fruit Loops. So let's see if that will happen today. I need to calm down. This is so cute. I'm so excited. So this set is super customizable, and the creator of Belladonna actually went so far as to create like a ice cream shop JSK builder app thing so that you could see how all the different colors looked in combination. And after I placed the order, she sent me on Instagram a little proof image of what the JSK that I ordered would be looking like with the selections that I made, and it looked so cute, and I was so on board. It's been one of my dream dresses since I first saw it, basically. So I got the JSK, 2 different head bows, 2 different front bows, and 2 different belts. I got the JSK bodice in the darker pink, and I couldn't decide if I wanted purple striped accessories or yellow striped accessories because I thought both would look really, really cute. Belladonna offered all these add-ons, and I was like, you know what? I don't have to choose. The prices were so reasonable that I just added them to cart. Now it really feels like my birthday. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Yeah, assuming this fits me correctly, I am wearing this today for sure. So I do have 2 head bows. One is pink to match the bodice, and the other is yellow to match what I think of as my personal default bow and belt, which is the yellow stripe. But I also did get a purple sash and a purple bow, so it would look more like that and that. I thought about getting a 3rd head bow in the purple to match the belt and the bow that I'm getting, but to be honest, the pink is so super cute, and I wanted the option to wear this JSK without the bow or the belt, and I thought that given the bodice color choice, this bow would be the best, so. Oh, but look at this. It's giving me like Kyary Pamyu Pamyu vibes. By the way, I'm obsessed with Kyary Pamyu Pamyu. I've seen her in concert 4 times. The head bows are really cool. They are very multi-layered, and they're tacked in place so they won't lose lose their shape. And the actual headband base is covered in the stripy version of the fabric. It's so cute how Belladonna combines the polka dot version of the fabric with the stripy version of the fabric. One cool thing about the construction of these bows is that you can kind of move them around a bit. You don't have to keep them centered. You can move them to off center. And something that I always appreciate when it comes to a head bow, you can have it so that the bow sits flat on top of your head or flat against your head. So here's how it looked flat against the head. Oh, but this is just too good. I mean, oh. So the dress is lined. There are several layers of lace trim around the scalloped edge of the hem. The panels are all made up of different colors of the same cotton fabric. And there is some light pleating in here, which really helps the shape of the skirt, in my opinion. The front has princess seams, which are edged with this adorable lace, which is actually a different type of lace than the stuff going down the edges of the skirt. The lace at the top of the bodice does match the lace at the actual scalloped edge, but there's this other layer underneath the scalloped edge to add more dimension. I think it's a really nice touch. The straps are simple, they match the polka dot of the bodice, and the belt loops are not removable. I don't know why they would be. One thing to note, the dress does not have pockets, but nothing's perfect, right? Here is the back, and here is how the waist tie belt is finished. There is plenty of room here, which is great. And can I just say how amazingly the pattern is matched to add the extra length on this belt? The stripe matching here is really well done. I got size 2, which is the larger size. My measurements were in the middle of that size range. And this dress has lots and lots of shirring, and the straps are attached by these big pearly buttons. The dress only came with the one set of buttons, and there isn't really much extra room to move them, but looking at it on the hanger, I think there's probably quite a lot of room in those straps, and if you have a smaller torso or need to take it in, you can always move the buttons up, of course. One last thing I need to show off. These are some shoes that I bought for myself for my birthday. If you are familiar with my previous videos, you will know that I am obsessed with irregular choice shoes, and especially this particular style, which is called Summer Breeze. They make this shoe style over and over again in different fabric and color combinations. They recently had their mid-year sale, and I was really hoping that they would match pretty good, and I mean, it's not an exact match, but I think that this is close enough, so I've got my footwear figured out for this coordinate too. Yeah, I'm super stoked. All right, I'm going to throw on a blouse real quick just to do a quick try on, and assuming this fits me, this will be the dress I wear to my birthday party. Okay, so not only does it fit amazing, but look at this. Safe to say, I'm obsessed with it. I tried this Target blouse on with it because I'd seen it coordinated with white before, and it seemed like an easy thing to do. Hi, Riho. I figured white is super easy to coordinate with it since the pattern has white in it and it's got white lace, and this is so comfortable and breathable. I definitely think I can wear this all day. It also fits my petticoat criteria because I only have 2 petticoats with a drawstring that I can adjust throughout the day. And since I'm gonna be eating cake and pizza and stuff, I really needed that extra flexibility in the waist so that I can be comfortable all day. Kittens! Kittens! Wow, kittens!
Riho, you'd look so nice with a bow tie.
Okay. Oh no, I made her mad. That was the weirdest noise you've ever made, girl. Wow. Okay, well now I'm gonna take this off so that I can iron it and get the rest of the coordinate ready and do my hair, my makeup, and my nails. This is exactly how I've always wanted to look. Bowl of Fruit Loops couture. And I feel very well set up to have a really fabulous birthday. I'm so excited. And well, here I am. Only 1 hour of makeup, hair, and nails, and I start to feel more like myself. I feel amazing in this dress. I cannot wait to go and see my friends looking like my truest self. Okay, so this is hilarious, but not in an actually funny way. I ended up having such a good time at my my birthday party and stayed out so late that I didn't actually take any photos or video of the entire event. I didn't get a single good coordinate shot in the light of day. And because I am stubborn and my spouse is very, very patient with me, instead of going home and taking video of my disheveled state in the light of my living room, which would have made everything look yellow, I thought it was a great idea to go try and find some bright white light out in the world. And that is how I ended up at the ferry terminal in full Lolita, my hair a frizzy mess. The wind was chilling, it was loud, and while I had lots of fun getting these shots, I deeply, deeply regret not taking an extra 40 seconds before leaving the house to document my outfit because damn, I looked amazing. You're gonna have to take my word for it though. This footage does not do my outfit the justice it deserves, but please know that upon leaving the house, I looked the best I've ever looked. I'm just so frustrated that it came to this. Anyway, enjoy my grainy, dark, windy, disheveled footage. I will briefly break down a little bit what I am wearing. The dress, belt, and hair ribbon are of course by Belladonna Lolita. I've got on a blouse from Unique Vintage. It's 100% cotton and so it's very comfortable. My blue star bracelet is by the Lolita Collective. My socks are from Sock Dreams. My shoes are Irregular Choices Summer Breeze in pink. My petticoat is by Me Likes Tea, and my blue heart-shaped mirror brooch was made by myself. And if you are interested in this sort of thing, you can find a link to my big cartel shop in the description below. I seriously feel amazing. I feel like I've wanted to look this way my entire life, and I just finally realized my dream of looking like an actual bowl of Fruit Loops. Pastel rainbow everything from my head down to my nails. And now it's about 3 p.m. My party starts at 4 and I gotta go pick up my cupcakes and set things up. I don't know if I'll have time to film a proper outro later, so I'll film one right now. If you found this video interesting, informative, or good in any way, please do give it a thumbs up as that really helps me out with YouTube's algorithm. If you haven't subscribed already and you're into Lolita fashion, do subscribe. I'm very grateful to my growing community of frilly folk here on my Ellie Vyra channel. I've got about 800 subscribers and I cannot believe it. I would love to hit 900 by the end of the month of July, but you know, that's largely up to you all. So if you feel like you want to help me out with that goal, it would be a really excellent birthday present. So please do give me a subscribe. And if you've already subscribed, I see you. I love you. You know who you are. All right. I have been Ellie Vyra. I am 30 years old and a Swolita, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching all the way to the end. You rock. Bye.